Yeah. Hi, hello. Myself Jayesh Maladikar. By education, I'm a civil engineer, and I work in the corporate projects, infra projects for one of the IT company in Hinjewadi. Accidentally, I came to know about this class when I was coming to drop my daughter over here across the street for her dance classes. I came to know about this. I inquired on the phone, and I'm very happy to share that in the first interaction only I got in confidence that this might be the place where I can get exactly what I was looking for while entering in the share market, and that's how I joined this class.
Okay. So, how had been your interaction with the stock markets before you had joined this class?
So, as I was saying that when whenever I was thinking about the stock market or someone around me was talking about the stock market, I always feel left out, and because I was not knowing in depth about it. Though a few years back I had opened an account with the insist of one of my friend, and I might have bought some script then. But I never really looked into it, how it goes ups or downs. I was not, and at that point of time only, it was in back of mind somewhere that I should study it and then I should go and invest it. So I was always looking for an opportunity in terms of someone who can guide me and who can actually teach me from the basics that what is the stock market. That's how I might be out of this till now. But this worked out really well when I joined this class and got from the basics how I should start investing in the stock market.
What all things have you learned in during your program here?
Right from the day one, if I have to summarize what I have learned for the stock market is how the stock market works really in India particular. What are the different exchanges? What is the basic difference between the exchanges? What are the companies? How they are listed? So it starts from there, and then the actual technical or critical part of it, that how individual company can be assessed based on the analysis or the something more than the basic, where a person independently can look at the market, analyze himself, and then with the minimal time in his working schedule he can invest and really take best out of it. So that's how so far I have learned it. But during even this, how you can make yourself safe or keep your risk minimum with small investment, how step by step one has to go to gain that confidence. That all I learned, and then of course that it's not only a teaching. It has been always backed up with some exercise which you have to perform. That's how you can gain your confidence, where you can learn step by step how to select a company, how to analyze it, when to enter, when to exit, when to book your profit. So all those things.
Do you think the 7-star, 5-star, superstar strategies which you have learned, those actually will work in the market and will help you in the future, and you will be able to use them?
So the main strategies which I learned when I have to select a script might be the 7-star or let's say 5-star strategies. While learning only, and then when I try to follow it, I see that those all strategies are designed such a way that they are reducing risk at that point itself. This all strategies, I believe that it will help me really to start step by step investing in the market.
Great, sir. Do you think the money and the time you have invested here in this course of yours during this course, is it worthwhile?
To be very honest, whenever I came across and I wanted to do such a course, whether first criteria was whether it suits my time. The time was really flexible, and for study I don't see that one has to really into the market hours, and sir was very flexible and kind enough to accommodate my individual time slots during last 1.5 months, and fees also are very moderate, and at the end of the course I feel really worth joining this course at right time, let's say, for me. I also have belief that if at all I need some backup or some additional support in near future, sir will be there always to help me, and I'm looking forward not only just as a course end, but might be a further relationship continuing with the Sher Khan and the Sri Vallabh Associates.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for kind words. What word of advice would you give to the people who are looking to enter into the market and looking to learn about it?
But I really, right now, only want to tell, for at least for understanding sake, one can really join this course and understand, because it's not, stock market. Normally we have some belief that it is, a person who really have some extra money in his pocket, who has a big appetite to digest the losses, can enter, or people, and those are the stories normally we see. But this is the course where we really, I think, learn that what all precaution one can, they should start studying it, looking at it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.